Presenting IotoSafe by IOTomation, a contactless, COVID-safe and comprehensive entry management solution for workplaces. The device is available on both Wi-Fi and GSM version to better suit workplace requirements. Let's quickly see how it helps keeping workplace safe. The screening is based on thermal temperature and exclusive Aarogya Setu App Status. The device comes with 5-inch screen and provision for FR-based authentication system. On arrival at workplace, open your Aarogya Setu app and generate QR code. Show back of your palm to thermal camera. Now show your Aarogya Setu QR code to beamer in the bottom of the device. The information will be shared on real-time basis with reception dashboard. On the basis of information, the alarm will be raised in case any abnormality, so that reception officer can make decision to allow the person. Soft integration with digital attendance system and visitor management system can also be made. The device comes with face recognition-based authentication system, so you may use the same as contactless attendance system in future. The health dashboard will ensure all the analytics available for unlock guidelines compliance. This may also be used for environment monitoring in future. We are offering 20% discount for a limited quantity, so you may please get in touch with us.